In this lecture, we're going to go ahead and talk about lines. Okay, lines are the first fundamental of drawing. It's the most important part that you need to understand next to shape. But you can't create shapes unless you understand how to make lines. So the first thing to understand about lines is there's obviously all different types of lines, okay? So we have straight lines, we have curved lines, we have S lines, we have swirly lines, we have random organic squiggly lines. We have all different types of lines, okay? We have lightning bolt lines. They're all different types of lines. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and practice some lines. Just draw all the different types of lines that you can think of, okay? And there's different things that you can do to make your lines look different. So first off, you can draw a dark line by pushing really hard with your pencil, or you can draw a light line by drawing softly, or you can draw one in between, like so. You can also create very thick lines by drawing lots of lines together, or you can draw with the edge of your pencil, like so. And you can also combine lines. So I can draw a line like that, and then I can draw another one like that, that connects like so, and then that creates a shape. So I want you to play around with this and try to create as many lines as possible and as many variations of those lines as you can think of. The next thing we're going to go over is contour lines. So what is a contour line? Well, a contour line are the lines that make up an object or an image. So for example, with an eye, let's redraw our eye really quick. So there's the basic shape. Now I know this isn't going to be perfect, but I'm creating contour lines right now. So the first phase of drawing a picture is creating the contour lines. You want to create those lines of where your object is and where it ends. So the top part of the eyelid is right there, the bottom eyelid is there, the colored part of the eye is right there, and my eyebrow shape is right there. So these are contoured lines. Let's have a look at another example. So let's say I were drawing this pen, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and set that right there. Well, where are my contour lines? Well, first off, we have this top part of the pen, the clicker, so we'll draw that. So those are the contour lines for that. Now, I know this isn't going to be perfect. I just want to quickly demonstrate for you what the contour lines are. The next part is going to be this rectangular part right there, so we'll draw that. The next part is going to be this middle piece, so we'll draw that. The next part is going to be this rubber finger holding part, so we'll draw that. It kind of has a little bit of a wiggle to it. And then the last part is going to be this right here. So we'll go ahead and draw that. And then if we wanted to, we could go ahead and add in this clip. So draw that. So these are the contouring lines of our pen. Now, the next thing to take into consideration when you're drawing line art is the line quality. Now, what the line quality is it's just the thinness or thickness of your line. This can be used to make your artwork look a lot more interesting, especially if it's more of a graphic design type of piece of artwork. And if you're creating more realistic type of artwork, it can be used to create more of a realistic look because it'll create more of